A very good day from Team Wordaholics. At Wordaholics, it has been our endeavor since 2015 that we help working executives, help students, help learners sound sophisticated in their offices and their work settings and score more in various competitive exams like CAT, SAT, GRE, GMAT, SSC Banking, UPSC. Our students keep on asking us whether we have the entire set of words, the 1200 words that we keep on talking about, available at one singular link. Yes, that link is being provided in this particular video at the end in the description. Now, moving on to the words that we're going to discuss today. The first word is outlier, overarching, overture, overweening, and paean. Now, what is the meaning of an outlier? An outlier is somebody who is a non-conformist, something which is an exception, something which is a dissenter, something which does not fit into the normal standard, something which is not average, something which is out of the range. So, Hindi would be vichitra or vishisht. Pronunciation is outlier as the word is. So, now we'll discuss this word from the mnemonic way, the Wordaholics way of dealing with this particular word in a different way so that you can remember it for a lifetime. Just looking at the word, you can remember this for a lifetime. So what is that particular way? Look at the word outlier on the left hand side. It looks as if it consists of two particular words, outlier, out and liar. Something which lies outside of a particular range. Look at the visual that we have provided. The particular person is not in the range of an average height is 5.6. He's standing at 7, 8. So that is an outlier, something which is not in the range. We'll be looking at some of the usages. Outlier talent, outlier country, outlier years. Sentence 1. India is one of the outliers in what is happening around the world, touching double digit despite slowdown elsewhere. Sentence 2. Angel investors try to find that one outlier which becomes so big, it takes care of the losses made across all investments. We have provided 4 to 5 usages. We'll be discussing only 2. The rest, you can pause the video and have a look at it. Now the next word is overarching for the day. Overarching means something, look at the visual that we have provided. Overarching is something which covers the entire, it's a very big arc which covers everything. An arc is a kind of a circle, a small part of a circle is an arc. So something which is overarching is something which is covering the entire thing. That is the meaning of comprehensive, all embracing, including everything. It includes everything, overarching. So we'll be discussing few usages of this word. Overarching intention, overarching theme, overarching goal. Sentence 1. Maintaining a simple, healthy routine is one overarching rule to easily maintain good health throughout one's life. Sentence 2. Lack of an overarching limit on total bank borrowing by a company has resulted in the banks having a very high exposure to some big corporates. The rest of the usages you can read by pausing the video if you're interested. Moving on to the next word, the word is overture. Overture means making advance, moving towards a particular direction, opening, starting, or beginning to do a particular thing. It's the making advances is the proper way of understanding. पहल करना, हिंदी में हम कहते हैं पहल करना. We begin something. We शुरुआत करते हैं हम उसकी, दैट इज़ पहल करना. झलकी इज़ अनदर वे ऑफ रिमेंबरिंग दिस वर्ड इन द हिंदी वे. ओवरचरिंग इज झलक दिखलाना. एंटोनिम इज कंक्लूजन और एंडिंग. सो ओवरचर इज बिगिनिंग एंड काइंड ऑफ ओवरचर इज बिगिनिंग एंड एंटोनिम इज कंक्लूजन और एंडिंग. प्रोनाउंसिएशन एवरच्योर, एवरच्योर, च्योर, एवरच्योर, TYO, च्योर, राइट. सो how do I remember this word for a longer time? Through the Wordaholics way. Look at the particular bowler in this particular picture, the visual that we have provided. This particular bowler is moving towards the batsman. He is advancing towards the batsman. He is beginning to move towards the batsman. Over towards the in a particular over, the bowler has to move over towards the batsman. So that is how we'll remember this word for a long time. What are the various usages? Responding to romantic overtures, diplomatic overtures. Sentence 1. India has made multiple overtures to Pakistan, including our PM being present on Nawaz Sharif's birthday to initiate dialogue. See, we are talking about initiating a dialogue, and India has made multiple number of overtures. Sentence 2. Harassment of women thrives because Indian society chooses to ignore such overtures to avoid the tedious processes of reporting the same. Moving on to the next word, overweening. Overweening is somebody who is very confident, somebody who is conceited, who is overconfident, is a snobbish person, he is arrogant, he is dictatorial, is an overweening person or overweening behavior. Hindi would be abhimani and ghamandi. Antonym is modest and diffident. Somebody who is modest, ground to earth, is a person who is opposite of overweening. Pronunciation is overweening. So what are the ways in which we can remember this word for a longer time? Imagine the footballer over here, very famous footballer. So imagine if one keeps on winning over and over. Win sounds like win. Imagine a person winning again and again, over and over, again and again. So he will obviously become overconfident about his capabilities, that he can win any match, any particular game. So that is the way in which you can remember this word overweening for a very long time. Somebody who keeps on winning over and over will become overweening in nature. Usages: overweening arrogance, overweening intervention. Sentence 1: China has been exercising overweening influence in the Asia Pacific region on account of its economic prowess. Sentence 2: India's overweening bureaucracy is another drag on the growth, red tapeism, and poor infrastructure that has put India 130th out of 189 countries in ease of doing business. And the rest of the sentences, if you want, you can pause the video and have a look at it. Moving on to the next word is paean. Paean is basically paying a tribute, praising something, glorifying something, giving accolades or giving a compliment is a paean. Hindi would be prashansha. Geet is a song that illustrates or glorifies that particular thing, place, or item. So antonym would be to censure or condemn. Condemning something is the opposite of singing a paean for a particular place or thing. So how do I remember this particular word for a longer time? I think this particular visual will stick with your memory, and that is where Wordaholics comes in. We give you visuals which are very, very remembering friendly, your brain friendly way of remembering these words. So this particular word will stick with you. I am very, very sure. I guarantee that this particular word will stay with you. So how is that we going to remember this word? Imagine the song Khai Ke Paan Banaras Wala. Paean sounds like pan, looks like pan, not sounds like, but definitely looks like paean. And Paan Banaras Wala was the song. What Amitabh Bachchan was doing in this particular song, he was singing a praise for the betel leaf. For the pan, he was singing a praise. So the entire song was basis of Khai Ke Paan Banaras Wala. So he was singing a praise for, he was paying tribute to or glorifying pan as a. So when you sing a paean, you are basically praising something. So what are the various usages that we have? Usage: paean of praise, paean to unsung heroes. Sentence 1: In their heroic valor against the mighty Australians, India in the World 2020 quarter-final deserve a paean of praise. Sentence 2: Review: Fitur is much a paean to Katrina's beauty as Kabhi Kabhi was to Rakhi Gulzar's. Rest of the sentences, if you want, you can pause the video and have a look at it. With that, we have come to the end of today's session on Wordaholics. Keep sounding sophisticated and keep scoring more in the various exams that you have in life is what we keep on telling our students again and again. If you have a friend, if you have a relative, if you have somebody who would be interested in watching these kind of videos and gaining immense knowledge about the vocabulary words and building and sounding sophisticated in life, they can SMS or WhatsApp ADD to 9546307452 to receive these power words daily for free. Also, we are providing a link for this particular book that I have compiled. This is my 5 years of research into how to speak fluent English and impress people in 30 days. I guess you will be able to understand that through this book, that simple, effective and practical secrets. What are the secrets of the language learning masters who do it in just 30 days? There are people across the world who master languages in just 5 days, 10 days, 7 days. So all this knowledge is being condensed into this particular book. If you're interested, you can download this particular book from the link provided. With that, we have come to the end of this particular presentation. If you have liked this particular video, please subscribe to this particular video by clicking on the subscribe button below and press the bell notification to receive notifications. Thank you so much.